this going on YouTube?
You always say that. How do then, folks, and welcome back to Two Wheel Bikers HQ. Me and Tracey's had some new helmets, so we're going to do an unboxing of them. I've had this lovely HJC, it's the RPHA1 Quartararo replica. So let's have a look at that. Got this from the bike show, got a good deal on it, about £400 off. So these were £850 when I bought it. We've not been out with it yet. We've bought the new Pack Talk Edge Duo, so we're going to be installing them as well. But so we'll look in there. We've got in there's a pin lock and tear offs for your visor. I don't think they're road legal, but I'll have a go at them at some stage when it's fly season. I've already put the visor on. I've got a clear visor there, bought a tinted one. And that is the aerodynamic piece that goes on the back. I'll have a look at that in a minute. Don't want that on, I think it looks daft. So, there we go. That box out of the way. So, there we go. Put this down. So yeah, got a bargain on this. Fell in love with it when I seen it. There we go. Nice loud colours, not like my last one. It hasn't got the sun visor in it. But there we go. Lovely jubbly. I like it. Very comfortable. I'm normally a medium with my RIs and Sharks, well, I've been a medium, but this one was a large. So, right, let's unbox Tracey's. Then I've got Tracey's. She's just bought this one short. I've got the chin mounts and that ready for them for the cameras. This one was from My Moto. Thank you very much, My Moto Derbyshire. Big shout out to you. Looked after us again as usual. So with this one we've got a free iridium visor. So we've already took the clear one off. So nice, this one. So there's Tracey's. Oh yes, there it is. This one has got the sun visor in it. You can see that. And get them bobby dazzlers. Hey. Got a sensor in it, so when you're braking, decelerating, it flashes, so that you can leave it flashing like that, but when you brake it flashes quicker. Very good safety feature. So that's Tracey's. Very nice it is too. Right folks, thanks for watching this video. More on the features of these helmets at a later time. In the next episode, we'll be fitting Cardo PackTalk Edge Duo intercoms to these helmets.